So in this video I'm going to be making a delicious prawn curry using only basic ingredients and essential spices. In fact, if you replace the prawns for any other fish, meat or vegetables in this recipe, you can make a delicious and authentic Indian curry every single time. So there should be no reason to get pre-made curries ever again after this, and if you enjoy this recipe, check out my other recipes on my blog, No More Eating Out, and I hope you enjoy this.
So I start by thinly slicing an onion. Stir on a low to medium heat. And now I am roughly chopping up 2 tomatoes. You can also use tinned tomatoes here. Now add the diced tomatoes to the onions, and I'm going to put in a teaspoon of ginger once it's crushed. So now I'm going to crush in 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 green chilli is optional. You can also use chili flakes or cayenne pepper even here, if that's all you have. And now we need 1 tin of coconut milk. Try to find coconut milk that doesn't have so many preservatives in. It should really have just coconut milk. Once my coconut milk had all been stirred through, I added in 2 packets of raw prawns. You can go ahead and use frozen prawns too. And now mixing everything up before putting the lid on to allow the sauce to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes on low to medium heat. And now add some lemon juice. Lemon goes so well with every fish sauce, just adds so much freshness to it. And there we are, we've got a delicious coconut prawn curry. It goes so well with a side of rice, naan bread, whatever you fancy, but it is truly delicious.